activity. Virgo, forecast for 2021 around career. No matter what you do for a living or what industry you work in, you are someone who thrives on your work life. Your career is often an extension of your personality, and it bears a true reflection on who you are deep down. You take pride in your work, and your perfectionist style makes you a trusted employee, beloved manager, or a sought-after entrepreneur. You're practically obsessed with making things the best they can be, but this can also be a downfall at times. There have been occasions when you get so caught up in getting something so right to match your ideal vision that you go too far or become too caught up in the details, leaving you with no time or not enough time to actually finish your task. This year, you need to relax your approach and trust your instincts and intuition more. There may be some time this year when you will have to work with someone you strongly dislike, don't trust, or whose work ethic you don't necessarily respect. This may be especially hard for you, and you should try to see it as a test. Learning to be more tolerant will help you find a way to bring out the best in even the most difficult person. Throughout the year, you may be called upon for special projects that absolutely no one else could ever pull off, and this will help you build your reputation considerably. There could be a really strong year ahead for you for your career, and the expertise you earn might be quite valuable to you in the future.